Hello children, today we are going to solve 4th standard poem number 2, These Simple Things exercise part. Before going to that exercise part, we just revise in a short summary of this poem. Here poet Ruskin Bond, the poet name Ruskin Bond, is going to say that in the life there are lots of simplest things which are very best. Which are those? Patch of green, bird's nests, fresh and cold water, a bread taste, a song of old, and the laughter of a child, whichever the favorite books, flowers growing, cricket which singing in shady nook, which balls bounces high, that are all the simple things, and including that summer shower, rainbow, and the loving hand, a rest time. These are the simple things in life best. So poet is explaining that small simplest things are the best in our life. So move on to the exercise part now. So here are the understanding text. Answer these questions. They have given 5 questions, think and answer, and the filling the blanks we will solve one by one. First question, what kind of things does the poet think are best in life? Poet ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ದ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪೋಯೆಟ್? ಯಾವುದು ತುಂಬ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪೋಯೆಟ್, ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್, ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್, the taste of bread, and an old song. These all things are matter most according to the poet. Move on to the third one. What does the speaker mean by the touch of a loving hand? So touch of loving hand andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the touch of a loving hand refers to the love and care of someone close to us. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾದರ್, ಮದರ್, ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಹೂ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್, ಹೂ ಲವ್ ಅಸ್, ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So flora refers to plant life while fauna refers to animal life. List the flora and fauna mentioned in the poem. ಫ್ಲೋರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಫೌನಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So in the fifth question, poet asks, do you think that the poet speaks the favor of pleasure or leisure anta kelidare? So yes, the poet speaks in a favor of pleasure and leisure, reading a favorite book, listening to the sound of cricket in a shady nook, watching a rainbow, enjoying a summer shower, and having time to rest. These are the favor, pleasure and leisure. So next move on to the understanding words. Name the groups these words belong to. Here they have given some words. All together words belong to one group. So which group we have to identify here? For example, here they given first one pine, fir, gulmohar. So these belongs to tree. Pine tree, fir tree, gulmohar tree. So TREE. These groups belong to tree. Next, cups, saucers, plates. So according to this, all the groups called as crockery. CROCKERY, crockery. Next, gold, silver, iron. These are belongs to metal. METAL, metal. Next, English, maths, science. These are belongs to subject. SUBJECT, subject. So here pencils, erasers and scales. These belongs to stationery. STATIONERY, stationery. Spoons, knives, forks. These are cutlery. CUTLERY, cutlery. So move on to the next part. Listen to the words carefully. Tick the correct meaning of each word. We have to find out in the options whichever the correct meanings. So first one is spectators. So which means visitors or person who watch or players. Spectators means is this B, option B, persons who watch, that is called, that man called as spectators. Second one, enthusiastic. It means passionate or excellent or nervous. So enthusiastic means option A, passionate. Third one, excited. Option A, very jealous, very nervous, very happy. So excited meaning is very happy. Fourth one, skills, talent, work, cleverness. So skills is option A, talent. So this is talent. Spectator means person who watch. Enthusiastic means passionate. Excited means very happy. Skills means talent. Here is a pronunciation part. Touch, double, young, rough, courage, cousin. Cloud, shout, proud, round, pouch, bounce. One more time. Touch, double, young, rough, courage, cousin. Cloud, shout, proud, round, pouch, bounce.